We've all played Temple Run at some point, and honestly, it's one of those nostalgic games that pretty much became a part of our childhood. So today, let's see if Fable 5, one of the most advanced Claude AI models so far, can recreate that same fast-paced endless runner experience with smooth movement, obstacles, and all the chaos that made games like Temple Run so addictive. Yeah, I know this is a pretty crazy task because the actual Temple Run took a lot of time to make. But still, let's see if Fable 5 can pull it off in just a few minutes. Alright then, let's stop wasting time and head over to Fable 5. Make me a Temple Run style game using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that I can play directly in my web browser.
Alright dude, I'm writing the code right now. You just need to copy it, run it, and test the game once it's done. Alright, the code's ready. Go test it out.
Yeah, just from the starting screen, it actually looks like the game is gonna be pretty good. So let's try playing it by pressing the run button, but wait, what is this? Our player isn't even inside the game, and the whole game is basically empty. Dude, the thing you make is basically just one static screen, and it is not also playable. Fix this. Okay, the code is updated now. Let's see if the issue is finally fixed or not. Now the game is actually playable, and this time we finally have a player that's running. There are also some coins and obstacles on the road, but when I try to jump over these obstacles, the jump barely goes high enough, so I just crash and get a game over. As for the UI, it adds simple text for score, best score, and coins, which looks just okay. Increase the player's jump height because he barely jumps from his position and collides with the obstacle coming toward him. Also, make the game full screen too, it'll look much better that way. Okay, now the game actually feels way better than before because I can finally play it in full screen, which already makes it look a lot more fun and immersive. And this time, I can easily jump over those round rock obstacles without any problem, which is exactly what I wanted from the start. But these rectangular barricades are still impossible to jump over, and the game just ends every time. Alright, we're definitely gonna fix this barricade issue, but the real Temple Run also has a demon chasing the player the whole time, and whenever the player crashes into something, the demon catches him and the game ends. So let's add that into our game too. Alright, now fix the barricade issue so the player can properly jump over it, and also add a demon behind the player that keeps following him. Whenever the player hits an obstacle, the demon should catch him and trigger the game over screen. Also, add some temples in the background so the game world doesn't feel so empty. Oh wow, this is actually crazy, guys. I honestly didn't expect Fable 5 to be able to add a devil into the game, but I was completely wrong. It actually added a pretty creepy looking devil behind the player that keeps chasing him. Although to be fair, it looks like the devil is staring at us instead of the player because those glowing yellow eyes are facing our direction, but whatever, it still looks awesome and the game is actually fun to play now. And just like in Temple Run, the moment I crash into an obstacle, the demon catches me and the game instantly ends. Nice. Now let's tell Fable to add some extra features on its own and see what kind of cool stuff it comes up with to make the game even better. Honestly, you made this game even better than I expected, but let's improve it even more. Go ahead and add some extra features based on your own ideas too, like power-ups and anything else that would make the game more fun and interesting. Yeah, it actually does feel like the game got a pretty big update, so let's play it and see what changed. And honestly, it added a lot of cool stuff this time. The game speed now gradually increases as you keep running, which makes the gameplay feel way more intense over time. It also added a full day and night system, so the environment keeps changing while you play. On top of that, whenever I collect coins, there are now particle effects, which is a small detail but actually makes collecting coins feel satisfying. Even the devil looks better now because its glowing eyes turn from yellow to red whenever you hit an obstacle. And the biggest improvement is that the game no longer instantly ends the second you touch an obstacle. Now I can crash up to 3 times before getting a game over, which honestly makes the game feel much more fair and playable. And look at this, when I finally hit obstacles 3 times and the devil catches me, the camera even shakes, which is actually a really nice touch. Alright then, now let's see how Fable 5 turns this already awesome game into a 3D version. Your 2D game is already really good, but now make it fully 3D using Three.js, and also add some magnets on the road that can attract nearby coins, and since you're making a Temple Run style game, also add some temples in the background. Wow guys, this actually turned out awesome. Along with the temples in the background, it even added trees, and the obstacles like the wooden logs and rocks honestly look pretty realistic now. And the barricades are way better too because I can finally slide under them instead of just crashing every time. But wait, where did the devil go? Did it forget to add him? Oh, never mind. The moment I hit an obstacle, the devil suddenly shows up, and after hitting another obstacle, he gets even closer, which is actually a really cool detail. The game honestly turned out pretty impressive, but there's still one thing missing. In the actual temple run, we can turn left and right on different paths, but here we can only keep running straight. So let's fix that too. Look, dude, right now you've only made the road completely straight, but in Temple Run, after running for a while, we have to turn onto left or right paths. So just add that feature and the game will become way more fun. Alright, now let's run for a bit and see if Fable 5 actually added the left and right path system or not. Yep, I finally have a left turn coming up. Oh damn, I missed it and crashed straight into the wall, and the devil caught me instantly. Alright, let me try that one more time. Okay, so right now I'm running straight, I already cleared an obstacle, collected a few coins, and now we have to take a left turn, and yes, our player actually turned successfully. That's awesome. Then again, I jumped over a few more obstacles, collected more coins, and the devil is still chasing me from behind. But this time we need to turn right, and yep, we can turn right too. So now the game honestly feels a lot like Temple Run. What do you guys think? How well did Fable 5 make this game, and what rating would you give it out of 5? Make sure to comment and let me know. And for more awesome game devlogs like this, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.